Hello everyone! Want to tell you the secret of how you can make over $20,000 a month. In this short video, I will introduce you to Xcard, my favorite e-commerce platform. It is as easy to use as possible, which I have been working with for over 5 years. Watch this video to find out a few life hacks that few people know about. Look carefully, we are starting.
Hi, Xcard is the right e-commerce platform for your business. This is a tried and true service that I still use today. I recommend it for everyone. Why? Let's find out in my review. Since 2001, Xcard has provided e-commerce tools from a variety of vendors to over 35,000 online stores. The Xcard brand is synonymous with creative control and total oversight, given that it is a standalone, high-performance solution. These may seem like a dream to some online business owners, but to others, it's not quite what they want. The good news is that it is pretty easy to determine if Xcard is the right e-commerce platform for your business, as it mainly has to do with how much experience you have in coding and building websites as a developer. Or you can pay a developer to do the work for you. In this Xcard review, you will learn about all the features on offer as well as the costs you will face. Since it is an open source solution, Xcard allows you to run an e-commerce website on its servers. This means it will take a little extra work, but this small sacrifice comes with more control. At first glance, and after a deeper analysis, the pros and cons of Xcard become more obvious. So keep up with this Xcard review to see if it is your company's next e-commerce builder. Like many open source developers, like Magento and WordPress, Xcard is highly intuitive and has some of the more advanced features on the market. There is not much that you cannot do with this software, seeing how almost every element is customizable if you have the skills and resources to implement the change. This also means that the platform is highly scalable. If you are planning to expand your business and want to add new customizations and features to your store, Xcard can meet your needs. I also find that prices for Xcard are quite reasonable. It offers a free plan for small beginners. I didn't expect to be using this for long, but it's a good place to start. While you will find that Xcard has an annual upgrade fee, the base product is only $495, and if you want, you don't have to pay for upgrades. Finally, many companies take advantage of the ability to sell products from multiple suppliers. Perhaps you will integrate this feature into your store in the future, or perhaps you will create a multi-vendor marketplace from scratch. With Xcard Multi-Vendor, you have all the features you need. Responsive design and mobile POS. You can also manage your store from mobile devices. The ability to sell digital products and create auctions. Fraud prevention option. Complete market developer and integration tool, low stock notifications and bestseller rates, filter and cloud search, real-time delivery quotes, beautiful one-step decoration with guest verification, marketing options like loyalty program, discounts, newsletters, exit offers, abandoned cart notifications, and more. Here are the current Xcard pricing plans at a glance. Free. As the name suggests, this plan is completely free. It is designed for small businesses or newbies looking to launch Xcard. The plan supports unlimited products, 5 free themes, a powerful designer, site code access, gateway support, and many other features. This is a good package since you don't have to pay any money. However, along the way, you may come across some additional features or services that you might want to pay for. For example, the support service requires additional payment. Business. This is a one-time fee of $495 unless you plan on getting updates or other services. Customer support also requires payment in this plan. All features from the previous plan are included. Some of the additional features we like include multiple currencies, product filters, reviews, social media login, and downloadable products. Multi-vendor. This plan costs $1,495. It's a one-time fee, and that's only if you're interested in building a full-fledged multi-vendor marketplace like Envato or Etsy. Most of the features from the previous plans are also provided, but you get the addition of separate stores for vendors, commission rates, automatic transfers, and more. Ultimate. This $5,995 plan includes full customer support and startup assistance. Most add-ons are provided with the plan. For example, you usually have to pay for a Category 3 menu, but it's included with the Ultimate plan. Some other features are paid membership, product questions, recurring payments, manual tax credits, a backup tool, and more. Xcard does not require you to make any payments for any of the plans. In addition to the ones described above, Xcard also offers enterprise plan for companies that are growing rapidly or are already in their maturity stage. One element to keep in mind is that Xcard does provide fully managed hosting. So if you'd rather skip your own host and everything that entails, you have the option to pay for managed hosting starting at $29.95 per month for all plans. As for the updates we talked about earlier, here's how much they cost depending on your plan. Special low price if you sign up for updates within 1 month of expiration. Free edition. Free for all updates. Business special low price $99. Regular price $247.50. Multi-vendor special low price $299.95. Regular price $747.50. Final special low price $3,155. Regular price $3,155. Do you have development experience and want to create your own platform with many e-commerce features? Yes? Try Xcard. If you're looking for a powerful and affordable platform with multiple platforms, Xcard is a great solution.